careful about your duties to your current employer when you are starting your business while working for someone else. The law believes that no person can serve two masters. As an employee or independent contractor, you have a duty of loyalty to your employer. Employees make mistakes because they incorrectly think that because they created the document or worked with the client, that they own the document or that client. You probably don't. If your new business will compete with your current employer, you need to get legal advice to avoid inadvertently crossing a very expensive line. Just when you thought I was finished, here's the legal mumbo jumbo.
Attorney Nancy Greene's book, Navigating Legal Landmines, is now a runaway #1 bestseller. Buy it now at Amazon.com.